Hello students, in unit 11 means alcohol, phenols and ether, right? We have studied the chemistry of organic compounds with a functional groups containing a carbon-oxygen single bond. It means that in our case of alcohol and ether or phenol, where the carbon is attached with the oxygen with a single bond. But in this unit, we will study the chemistry of organic compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond. We know that what is the simple definitions of organic chemistry. So one line definition is like that: to study the functional group is called as an organic chemistry. How many functional groups that we have to study? So lots of functional groups are in organic chemistry. But in our 11th and 12th organic chemistry, mainly we are focused on 17 different functional groups. Okay. In this unit, we studied 3 different groups: aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. But not 3, but hiddenly or unhiddenly, it means invisibly, we have to study 7 different functional groups in these lessons, right? Remaining 4 are the derivatives of carboxylic acids. In prior lesson, we have to study 2 different functional groups. One is alcohol and ether. You know, phenol is not such a type of functional group because phenol is also containing a hydroxyl group and alcohol is also hydroxyl group. Only difference in R and AR means alkyl and aryl group. In prior lesson, there is haloalkane and haloarine. In this unit, we studied only one functional group is halide. In standard 11, the lesson name is hydrocarbon. At that time, we have to study the 3 different functional groups: alkane, alkene and alkyne. We know that arene is a special type of unsaturated compound due to resonance or aromatizations, right? So, in our hydrocarbons chapter, then haloalkane, haloarine and then alcohol, phenol. So, 6 different functional groups that we have to study in a very detailed manner. In this lesson, mainly we are focused on 3 functional groups, but invisibly we have to study all 7 functional groups in this unit: aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acid. So, what is the meaning of carbonyl group? Now, here the main concept of the carbonyl group, where carbon is attached with the oxygen with double bond, is called as a carbonyl group, or those carbonyl group compounds are called as carbonyl compounds. So 7 different types of carbonyl compounds that we have to study in this unit. But mainly our unit title itself suggests that it's the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Okay. So why we are very much interested? So compared to the hydrocarbon, then haloalkane, haloarine, alcohol, phenol. Some people says that, sir, in organic chemistry, which chapter is most important or it's a crucial in nature, right? तो मेरी ओर से तो यही कहने का है कि पूरा ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री है ना, वो क्रिटिकली है, क्रुशियल भी है और इजी भी है. लेकिन हम इस तरह से बात करते हैं क्योंकि एक ही यूनिट में 7 डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप होने की वजह से दिस इज हैविंग सम यूनिक टेस्ट. So this carbonyl group, which is one of the not important but most important functional groups in organic chemistry. Why it's the most important in organic chemistry? Okay, you have a certain idea about the aldehyde and ketone and carboxylic acid. So we know that हम जब भी organic chemistry की बात करते हैं तो हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा applied chemistry की तरह से सोच रहे हैं. So in the case of carbonyl compounds, they are the utmost importance to the organic chemistry because some fibers or fabrics, flavoring agents, plastics and drugs industries. So in this unit, they are very much attached to this because if the B group students of a biology students, okay, they have an idea about the biomolecules, and first biomolecules they have studied in their biology portion is a carbohydrate, and we know that carbohydrate having a aldehyde or ketonic group. So it's the most important carbohydrate which is used in our daily routine life. So there are so much advantages, so much uses of this aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. That's why we have to study this lesson in a very interesting manner and deep manner too. Okay, So the class of organic compounds containing carbonyl group as the functional groups are aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid and their derivatives, and they are collectively called as carbonyl compounds. So अभी आपको जैसे कार्बोनिल ग्रुप आप देख रहे हैं तो आपके दिमाग में पहले क्या ख्याल आ रहा है? मेरे दिमाग में तो यही ख्याल आ रहा है क्योंकि all are having a C double bond O and they having a pi bond. Pi bond is a weaker bond, so this is the active group. Okay, and O is more electronegative than carbon, so definitely pi cloud is attracted towards to the oxygen. So oxygen is partially negative in nature. Carbon is partially positive in nature. So in this chapter we have to study mainly the addition reaction and especially a nucleophilic addition reaction because our carbon is delta plus in nature. Okay, but in the case of carboxylic acid, definitely there is a hydroxyl group too. So there is a cleavage between O and H, there is a cleavage of whole OH, and there is a addition reactions on C double bond O. So lots of reactions in carboxylic acid. That's why in activity series carboxylic acid regarding to the activity placed at a first position. Okay, so now we start with what is the meaning of aldehyde. So it's a little concept of aldehyde which can be written like in this manner, RCHO. So what is the meaning here? H is compulsory or by default, but these are either H in nature or alkyl or aryl alkyl or aryl. Okay, and if any CHO group is present, so it's called as an aldehydic group. So I give some examples of this aldehyde. For example, if I put a H, so it's called as an HCHO. So it's methanol. Okay, next sessions or next lecture we continue with our journey with IUPAC nomenclature. At that time we have to study it in a deep manner. CH3COOH. So it's an alkyl group. So it's an ethanol. So one more group is aryl alkyl, which can be written like that. Okay, this is aryl and alkyl both. Okay. And aryl group, so it's benzaldehyde. We know that it's a benzaldehyde. So formaldehyde, acetaldehyde. This is benzyl, or the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-phenyl ethanol, and this is benzaldehyde. So where R is equal to H, or R is equal to any alkyl, or R is equal to aryl alkyl, or R is equal to aryl group. While in the case of ketones, if we studied about the ketones, so we know that in the carbonyl group is attached to two carbon containing group which may be same, R or R dash are same or different in nature. Okay, दोनों एक भी हो सकते हैं और दोनों अलग अलग भी हो सकते हैं. जैसे एक होते हैं तो हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे? सिंपल कीटोन. इफ बोथ R and R dash are same in nature, so they are called as a simple ketone. Likewise ether. And if they are different in nature, so it's called as a mixed ketone. Okay, so this if any particularly C double bond O group is found, it's called as a ketonic group. Okay, so some examples of R and R dash is given like that. For example, if two same alkyl group, so we know that it's a acetone. It's a very good solvent in organic chemistry. Okay. One more example, if one alkyl and one aryl, so it's called as an acetophenone. The name of this compound is acetophenone. Okay. Next one, if two aryl are present, okay, so the name of this compound is benzophenone. So here either two alkyl, two aryl, one alkyl, one aryl, one aryl alkyl. For example, if I put aryl alkyl in alkyl group, so lots of examples or lots of examples are in this ketonic group. Okay, so next one is a carboxylic acid group. So what is the meaning of carboxylic acid group? Where hydroxyl group is attached to the carbonyl group is called as a carboxyl group. Is a simple meaning. What is the meaning of this C double bond O? What is the meaning of C double bond O? Is carbonyl and this is hydroxyl. So joint is called as carboxyl. So any carboxyl group is having a COOH, any compound having a COOH is called as a carboxyl group. And those carboxyl group, so some examples of either R is equal to H or alkyl or aryl alkyl. For example, if I having a H, only H, so we know that it's a methanoic acid or formic acid. If I put a alkyl group, CH3C double bond OH, so it's a acetic acid group. If I put a benzyl, okay, this is benzyl COOH. Okay, so name of this compound is 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. So now only aryl group is called as a benzoic acid. So lots of examples of this carboxylic acid. But we know that the carbonyl, the functional groups of carbonyl compounds, okay, so there is a replacement of OH of the COOH group. Now the most important topic, which is not that much given in our textbook, हम क्या इसके बारे में हम क्या दिखा सकते हैं, मैं आपको एक उसका मैं अपने अंदाज से आपको ये समझाना चाहता हूं. जैसे मेरे पास R C double bond OH. This is carboxylic acid. We all know that it's a carboxylic acid. Now there is a replacement of hydroxyl group with a halogen group. So it's a one type of displacement reactions. So we get a product is like that, R C double bond O X, and we know that this is nothing but it's a acid halide. It's a acid halide, or some people says that it's a acyl halide. Acyl halide, where R is equal to, हमने अभी बताया, आइदर H हो सकता है, अल्काइल भी हो सकता है, एराइल भी हो सकता है, एराइल अल्काइल भी हो सकता है. वो जो भी है, जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में होगा उसकी तरह से ही वो चलेगा. So this is the derivatives of carboxylic acid, okay, because there is a displacement of hydroxyl group with a halogen group. Same way, if we displace hydroxyl group with a NH2 group, okay, so here, so definitely we know that in standard 11 in our general organic chemistry portion, this is nothing but it's a simple acid amide. It's a simple acid amide or simple amide, where R is equal to either hydrogen or alkyl or aryl alkyl or aryl, whatever, right? Same way, if I replace this OH hydroxyl group with OR dash, so definitely I got a product is like that, OR dash. This is nothing but it's a so it's a R and double bond O. So it's a ester compound. It's a ester. So what is the definition of esterification? When carboxylic acid and alcohol, they are react with each other, so it's converted into ester, and this phenomena is called as an esterification. So this is ester, where, but mind well, in the ester, R is equal to H is possible, but R dash is not equal to H. If R dash is H, so it means that it's a carboxylic acid in nature. Fourth derivatives is like that. It's a displacement of or a replacement of OH with plus OCO R dash. So if we displace this, okay, so we get a compound like that. R C double bond O C double bond R dash. We know that this is nothing but it's a one type of acid anhydride, where R is equal to or R dash may be same or different in nature. यहाँ पे R या R dash अलग अलग भी हो सकते हैं, सेम भी हो सकते हैं. So once again, in this case of carboxylic acid, where the carbonyl group which are obtained by the replacement of this hydroxyl group, यहाँ पे मैंने सभी में क्या किया हुआ है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप का रिप्लेसमेंट किया हुआ है. कौन सा COOH का हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप का रिप्लेसमेंट? जैसे मैंने X से किया, फिर मैंने OCOR डैश से किया, फिर मैंने OCOR डैश से किया, फिर मैंने OR डैश से किया, NH2 से किया. जैसे मैं X से करूंगा तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, हेलाइड और एसिड हेलाइड. फिर हम इसको NH2 से करेंगे तो इसका एमाइड हो जाएगा, OR डैश से करेंगे तो एस्टर हो जाएगा, और OCOR डैश से करेंगे तो एनहाइड्राइड हो जाएगा. So there are the derivatives. This is nothing but they are the derivatives of carboxylic acid or functional derivatives of carboxylic acid. तो कई बार हम इसको इस तरह से ये जो मैं अपनी तरह से समझा रहा हूं तो मैं ये क्या बोल रहा हूं, दिस इज नथिंग बट इट्स अ derivatives of carboxylic acid, okay, or functional derivatives of carboxylic acid. So all these derivatives, okay, what is your observation? ये सभी आपने देखा हुआ है, तो सभी मैंने आपको एक ऑब्जर्व किया अपने कुछ इसमें ये आपको आप देखेंगे ना उसमें तो एक बढ़िया सा कॉन्सेप्ट है इसमें। ये कौन सा बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्ट आपको इसमें दिखाई दे रहा है? ये दिखाई दे रहा है, देखो सभी में RCO है ही। देखो यहाँ पे भी RCO है, यहाँ में भी RCO है और ये RCO कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में से हमने लाया हुआ है। देखो ये भी RCO है सभी में, तो RCO को कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन जो दूसरा ग्रुप है वो नया आया हुआ है, OR- है या X है या OCOR- है या NH2 है। तो कई बार इसको ऐसे भी हम बोल सकते हैं कि जैसे बिकॉज ऑल आर हैविंग फर्दर ऑल दिस डेरिवेटिव्स कंटेन द सेम एसाइल ग्रुप। यहाँ पे एसाइल ग्रुप क्या है? सेम ही है। दिस इज नथिंग बट इट्स कॉल्ड एज एन एसाइल ग्रुप। सो sometimes this is also known as a acyl derivatives. Okay, so either acyl derivatives में भी हम बोल सकते हैं या derivatives of carboxylic acid भी हम उसको बोल सकते हैं। तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या देखा कि जैसे मेरे पास एक derivatives कौन सा है, जैसे फर्स्ट वन मैंने एसिड क्लोराइड मैंने दिखाया हुआ है और इसका रिएक्टिविटी की तरह से हम देखेंगे तो second one is the acid anhydride, third is the ester and fourth is the amide. So all these are the derivatives of carboxylic acid. But why we are very much interested in these portions? Our textbook also suggests that aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids, right? And esters also, they are widely spread both in plants as well as in the animal kingdom. They play a vital role in biological process. They play a vital role in biological process. They are responsible for the fragrance and flavor of the naturally occurring compound. जैसे हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक में ये दिया हुआ है, देखिए आप, मैंने भी एक थोड़ा ज्यादा एक लिखा हुआ है। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं ये है जो है ये है वेनिला बीन्स में से मिल रहा है। जैसे हम वेनिला का आइसक्रीम जैसे हम ले रहे हैं तो उसमें एक टिपिकल स्मेल आ रही है, तो दिस स्मेल इज ड्यू टू वेनिला बीन्स और उसमें ये स्ट्रक्चर वेनिला का है जिसमें एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप भी है, जो मिथॉक्सी ग्रुप भी है और फिनोलिक ग्रुप भी है, राइट। दूसरा हम देख रहे हैं वो है सैलिसैल्डिहाइड, जो हमने देखा आपको मालूम है रिमर्टीमन में से हमने ये लिया हुआ था, रिमर्टीमन से बनाया हुआ था फिनोल से सैलिसैल्डिहाइड क्लोरोफॉर्म NaOH की मदद से। तो ये भी है वो जो मिडो स्वीट होती है उसमें से ये सैलिसैल्डिहाइड होता है। दूसरा हमने बताया है इसमें सिनेमाल्डिहाइड मैंने बताया हुआ है, ये सिनेमोन जैसे हम उसको गुजराती में क्या बोलते हैं ટોજની અંદર એક સ્મેલ આવતી હોય, રાઈટ, એન્ડ ધીસ સ્મેલ ઇઝ ડ્યુ ટુ ધી સિનામોન એન્ડ ધીસ સિનામોન ની જે સ્મેલ જે છે વિચ इज ड्यू टू द सिनेमाल्डिहाइड। मैंने एक और भी बताया हुआ है आपको, देखो ये आप देखिए CH3C डबल बॉन्ड हो, ये एस्टर वाला दिख रहा है आपको, दिखा है CH2CH2CS, इसका नाम है आइसोएमाइल एसीटेट। जो हम बनानास ले रहे हैं, बनानास की भी एक टिपिकल स्मेल होती है, तो विच इज द स्मेल इज ड्यू टू द एस्टर। वी नो दैट द एनी राइपनिंग फ्रूट they're having some such a type of typical smell, and this smell is due to what? Due to this type of the compound, and mainly ester compound. And we know that they are used in many food products and pharmaceuticals to add flavors, and some of these families are manufactured to use as a solvents, for example acetone, acetic acid, okay. They are widely used as a solvent both in laboratory as well as in the industries, okay, and for preparing material like adhesive, paints, resins, perfumes, plastic, fabrics, etc. So these are the multiple uses of this aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid and their derivatives. So today we stopped at here. In next sessions, we continue with our journey with the IUPAC nomenclature and common name. Thank you very much.